Ever wondered how to navigate the world of making money online in the upcoming year? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the ins and outs of the digital landscape. Today we delve into how to make money online in 2024. So buckle up and let's take this journey together. First up, we have dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products directly from suppliers without the need to hold any inventory. A great way to set up a low-risk online store and potentially make a tidy profit. Next, consider freelancing. This is a brilliant way to capitalize on your existing skills. Platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients globally, opening up a world of opportunities. Then there's affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your referral link. A niche-focused blog, YouTube channel, or social media presence can be your ticket to success here. Sharing your expertise and passions through online courses or coaching is another fantastic way to generate income. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable are perfect for reaching a wide audience with your unique skills or knowledge. Don't forget about YouTube and video content creation. A well-grown channel providing valuable content can open up multiple avenues for monetization such as ad revenue, sponsored content, and brand partnerships. Lastly, for those with a creative streak, launching your own e-commerce store or exploring print-on-demand could be your golden ticket. Shopify and Printful are just a couple of platforms that allow you to customize and sell merchandise. So, there we have it. 6 exciting ways to make money online in 2024. Remember, it's important to stay adaptable and informed about the latest trends. And while success takes time and dedication, the potential rewards are limitless. Did you find this video helpful? If so, show some love by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. And don't forget to leave your thoughts and ideas in the comments section below. We always love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.